Some developing news tonight at 5:30. Right now, state scientists are trying to figure out how to protect Connecticut residents from the EEE virus.
In fact, there was a meeting today with Senator Chris Murphy to try and talk about what everyone has been doing. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Susannon is joining us now live. He's in New Haven. Roger, what did you learn today?
Yeah, you know, Mark and Denise, the scientists here say that information is one of the most important forms of defense that we have against EEE. But unfortunately, the researchers also say that this virus won't just disappear anytime soon.
So these are set out overnight at each of our locations.
This afternoon, scientists from the Connecticut Agriculture Experiment Station met with Senator Chris Murphy to explain how our state is tracking, trapping, and testing mosquitoes in order to examine just how severe the threat of the EEE virus is here in Connecticut.
We need to know what species are carrying the virus because that informs our understanding of what the risk is to the public.
I came here today to learn more about the work that we are doing to keep Connecticut citizens safe.
The experiment station in New Haven tests hundreds of thousands of mosquitoes every day for EEE and other viruses like West Nile by catching the insects in these traps, which snag as many as 10,000 mosquitoes each. Senator Murphy says the work is incredibly vital.
The more we know about where EEE is, where West Nile is, the more that we can give good policy recommendations to local communities and to public health officials on how to deal with it.
The virus has been confirmed in 15 towns in our state this year, and 2 Connecticut residents died from EEE.
This is probably the most widespread and highest levels of eastern activity that we have seen in recent years.
The experiment station's director, Dr. Theodore Andriadis, says the scientists here will continue tracking mosquitoes and the viruses they transmit, but he warns the threat of EEE will likely extend well into October at least.
Once we have a really good hard frost, for like 32 degrees, where you can see frost on the ground, that will probably put an end to most of the mosquito activity.
And, a lot of the research here is funded at the federal level through the CDC. And Senator Murphy says these positive tests that we've been seeing, they only prove just how important this research really is. Reporting live tonight in New Haven, I'm Roger Susannon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.